Welcome. In front of me I have REALME GT, and today I'll show you how you can take a screenshot without using the physical keys. It's called the gesture screenshot. So you have to go for the settings. You have to find convention tools. Right now we have to go for the gesture and the motions. Accept all permission that pops on the screen. And as you can see, to take screenshot, we can swipe down with 3 fingers, or we can touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. You have to enable both settings, both features, and take a look right now. Let's try the first one. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So 3 fingers, we are swiping, and as you can see, the screenshot was taken. When you click here, we can open it, we can save the screenshot by tapping on the right upper corner, and we can also check this method to touch and hold with 3 fingers. So let's make it. Okay, and as you can see here, we can take a partial screenshot or scrolling screenshot. So yeah, we got the 2 methods. And that's all. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.